Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a solution or some solutions for a technical problem that I have found. Please check the video, and if it helps you, I would appreciate your support. Please consider to like and comment down below. See you later in another video. Thank you guys for watching the video. If the solution was helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel, and you can comment down below as well. It will help me a lot. See you again later. Bye.